Gita, and this is Swamp Watch Supreme Court Edition. On Friday, the Supreme Court released a flurry of decisions as they try to clear the decks before they go on their summer recess. And next Thursday, there are expected to be a bunch of additional new opinions issued, so make sure you like and follow this channel so you don't miss any of that. Going back to last Friday, the Supreme Court unanimously ruled that a pair of lawsuits by U.S. victims of Palestinian terrorist attacks in Israel could move forward with their lawsuits seeking damages. Federal Second Court of Appeals had sided against the victims, but the Supreme Court reversed their decision, now allowing those lawsuits to go forward. The Supreme Court also ruled against a retired firefighter, saying that they did not have standing to sue a former employer under the Americans with Disabilities Act. They also sided with an e-cigarette retailer that was seeking judicial review in the Fifth Circuit, so that case can now also go forward. In a 7-2 decision, the justices also ruled in Asteris versus the United States that judges must base their supervised release decisions on only the sentencing factors that are enumerated in the supervised release law. Justices Samuel Alito and Neil Gorsuch dissented from the majority opinion. There was also a case about whether unsolicited faxes were a violation of the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, which centered on whether district courts are bound by the Federal Communications Commission's determination that faxes are not regulated by that act, and the Supreme Court decided that the district courts are not bound by the FCC's determination. In Diamond Alternative Energy versus the EPA, the Supreme Court ruled that fuel producers do have standing to sue the EPA over their approval of California's emissions regulations. That was a 7-2 decision, with Justices Sotomayor and Jackson issuing dissenting opinions. So you're mostly caught up for now on the Supreme Court. Don't forget to come back Thursday to see the new decisions coming out, which I think will include birthright citizenship.